Welcome back to AI Success Academy. In today's lesson, we're going to explore something very practical. How do modern AI tools actually work? We use AI to write, research, create images, generate videos, analyze information, and automate tasks. But what happens between the moment we give an AI tool an instruction and the moment we receive the result? Let's understand it simply. An AI tool is software that uses artificial intelligence to perform or assist with tasks that normally require some form of human intelligence. Depending on the tool, it may work with text, images, audio, video, or data. AI tools can help with writing, research, summarization, image creation, video production, translation, coding, analysis, and automation. At a simple level, an AI interaction can be understood through three stages: input, processing, output. First, you provide an instruction or information. The AI system processes that input using its underlying model and software. Then it produces an output.
But there is an important fourth step that responsible AI users should always remember: human review. AI-generated output should not automatically be treated as perfect. Review, verify, and improve the result before using it for important work. The way you communicate with an AI tool matters. Compare these two instructions. Write about AI. That's very broad. Now consider, explain artificial intelligence to a complete beginner in 300 words using simple language and 3 practical examples. The second instruction provides much more useful direction. You don't always need complicated prompts. You need clear instructions and useful context. Modern AI systems can work with more than just text. Depending on the tool, AI may work with text, images, audio, video, and data.
This broader ability is sometimes associated with multimodal AI. Not every AI tool is designed for the same purpose. Some tools focus on writing and reasoning. Others specialize in images, video, research, coding, or automation. So don't ask, what is the most popular AI tool? Instead ask, what am I trying to accomplish, and which tool is appropriate for that task? You also don't have to complete an entire project in one application. A workflow might look like this: research tool, writing assistant, design tool, video editor, cloud storage. Each tool performs a different function. The important principle is, think about the workflow first and the tools second. An AI workflow is a sequence of steps used to complete a task, with AI assisting at one or more stages. For example, when creating educational social media content, you might research the topic, generate ideas, create a draft, review the information, create the visual, edit the final post, and then publish it. AI can assist with several steps, but the human user remains responsible for the final result.
AI can also become part of automated workflows. For example, a customer inquiry comes in. Information is collected, data is organized, a notification is created, and a follow-up task is generated. Automation can reduce repetitive manual work. But remember, understand the process before you automate it. Modern AI systems are becoming increasingly capable of handling multiple steps. An AI assistant can help you research, draft, organize information, and analyze material. More advanced systems may perform sequences of actions toward a particular goal. These are often described as AI agents. The more autonomy an AI system has, the more important appropriate instructions, boundaries, and human oversight become. Here's something every AI user needs to remember. AI can make mistakes. It may misunderstand an instruction, produce inaccurate information, miss important context, or make reasoning errors. A confident answer is not necessarily a correct answer. That's why important information should be checked and verified.
The best approach is not necessarily AI instead of humans. It's often AI plus human judgment. AI can provide speed, ideas, drafting, and organization. Humans provide judgment, context, verification, and responsibility. This approach is often described as human-in-the-loop AI. AI can make many tasks faster, but speed alone does not guarantee quality. A professional result should aim to be efficient, accurate, useful, appropriate, not simply fast. Before using an AI tool, ask yourself 5 simple questions. Number 1, what am I trying to accomplish? Number 2, what type of information am I working with? Number 3, what AI capability do I need? Number 4, will the tool genuinely improve my workflow? And number 5, how will I check the result?
Let's take one simple example. Suppose you want to create an educational video. You could use AI to assist with research and create an initial script. Then you review the information, create or select appropriate visuals, assemble and edit the video, and finally review everything before publishing. AI can support several stages, but the final responsibility remains with you. If you remember only one idea from this lesson, remember this: think workflow first, tools second. Don't collect AI tools simply because they are new or popular. Choose the tools that genuinely help you accomplish your goal. Let's quickly recap. AI tools receive inputs and produce outputs. Clear instructions generally lead to more useful results. Different AI tools are designed for different tasks. Modern AI can work with multiple types of information. AI tools can be combined into workflows. Automation can reduce repetitive work. AI assistants and agents can support increasingly complex tasks. And most importantly, AI-generated results still require human judgment and review.
I hope this lesson helped you understand modern AI tools more clearly. Continue your journey with AI Success Academy. In the next lesson, we'll explore what AI can and cannot do. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep creating.